So we 3D printed the skateboards in a bunch of different colors. We also talked about 3D printing this brick and granite piece in color as well. So this is a liquid resin that's laid down a layer at a time, and there's multiple colors that it just knows where to put each droplet of material to get the color to come out right. So 3D printing in color has gotten quite a bit more popular lately. Whether, something like that, maybe a 3D printed banana that actually looks very realistic. Maybe it's just a medical model to let you go in and see what's going on inside the human brain. So 3D printing in color has all kinds of fun possibilities. Let's take a look at what we can do. So how do we get this color on our 3D model? In our bonus color 3D printing folder, I've got a version of the skateboard that doesn't have any color on it. I go ahead and open that up and come in. And we saw this when we looked at the textures video. So if you need to refer back to that, go for it. Here, if I come in and drag this grass onto this bottom face, I really don't want to cover the whole part because some of this part may be covered with grip tape or something. Let's just color this one face. Okay, I want the rest of the bottom faces to have the same color on it. I can click on that face and there's an option to copy the appearance. If I select this face, hold down the control key and pick these other three faces, once I let go of the control key, I've got the option to paste that appearance. Let's go ahead and save this as a different name. Instead of Skateboard No Color, we'll call this Skateboard Color, or Tony's boring option. If I look at the GrabCAD software, I've got this set as our J750 that we've got here in our Houston office. There's a 850, there's a J55, there's a couple different options for color printers if you want to look at one of the templates. I've already got our stairs brought in. Now, I don't want to print all the stairs all together, so I actually have the ability to come in and say, hey, I want to do this disassembled. Remember, that was multiple bodies. Now, I really want the granite on top of the brick. So let's do it a different way. Let's go back and do the assembled, and we can come through here and we can take this body number 3 and we can say hide, don't print him, and there we get the rest of that. If we go ahead and add that model, the skateboard with Tony's boring color, say okay to that. When it comes in, it looks pretty good. It's got the green on one side, and then all we have to do is hit print. So it's got some awesome possibilities, whether you're coloring faces or bodies or adding textures, to be able to get this 3D printed in color.